In this opportunity we are going to quickly study the showcase to display and maintain food in supermarkets that works with R404A. Let's start the explanation by saying that showcases are an excellent tool for displaying food while it is kept in optimal temperature conditions. The showcases have a refrigeration system that maintains a homogeneous temperature at any point in the exhibition area without the risk of drying out the goods. They also have large display areas and, in many cases, with liftable front windows, for easy cleaning as well as easy access to the front of the display area. As you can see, there are meat cabinets or delicatessen cabinets with a multitude of designs, finishes, sizes and colors. In the following diagram, we have the parts of a meat display case. 1. Upper evaporator 2. Lower evaporator 3. Expansion valve 4. Download 5. Defrost line 6. Suction 7. Liquid receiver 8. Heat exchanger 9. Oil separator 9. Oil separator 10. Compressor 11. Solenoid valve 12. Peephole 13. Dehydrator 14. Condenser. The pressures of the most used refrigerant gas R404A. To reach a temperature of -20 degrees Celsius in the evaporator, equivalent to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, a low gauge pressure of 2.1 bar is required, equivalent to 29.55 psig. 2. To reach a temperature of -15 degrees Celsius in the evaporator, equivalent to 5 degrees Fahrenheit, a low gauge pressure of 2.62 bars equivalent to 38.51 psig is needed. 3. To reach a temperature of -10 degrees Celsius in the evaporator, equivalent to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, a low gauge pressure of 3.32 bars is needed, equivalent to 48.80 psig. In some cases, it is useful to know the pressure of the equipment when it is turned off, and the high pressure or the condenser. Let's see them. 1. For an outdoor environment temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, about 77 degrees Fahrenheit, the equipment turned off, with this temperature, has a gauge pressure both high and low according to the table of 11.40 bar, equivalent to 167.58 psg. 2. For an outdoor environment temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, the condenser temperature is usually about 10 degrees Celsius above the environment where the equipment is located. So in the table for 35 degrees Celsius about 95 degrees Fahrenheit the high gauge pressure in the condenser is 15.1 bar equivalent to 15.0 bar sensors equivalent to 251.8 psg. At this time, we must remember that R404A is a refrigerant generated with a mixture of R134A plus R125 plus R143A gases. Because it is generated by a mixture, R404A must be charged in the liquid phase. The fact that R404A contains R125 and R143A, both of which have high global warming potential, also generates a high GWP blend. Although R404A does not destroy the ozone layer, the fact that it has a GWP of 3,920 currently causes it to have problems with environmental restrictions that regulate those gases with GWP greater than 2,500. 1,500. There are some alternatives to R404A, such as R407A, R452A, R449A, R407F.